Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to post long videos on WhatsApp status. Now there is a new limit that you can post up to 1 minute and 30-second videos on status. If I click on the plus or my status option, so you can see that there's a limit to add up to 1 minute and 25-second status on my WhatsApp. If you don't see this option, there's a possibility that you might be using the older version of WhatsApp. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search your WhatsApp. And once you search your WhatsApp, make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. If it is a simple WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, make sure to update it to the latest version. The older versions had the limit to add status up to 30 seconds, but if you're using the latest version of WhatsApp, you can add up to 1 minute and 25-second status on the WhatsApp. This is the new policy, and that is currently the new limit. There's no way that you can break it, but in the future, you might see we might see an update that we can post longer status which are like more than 1 minute and 25 seconds. But right now, this is the limit. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do that.